The local, who is tan and has gray hair, is driving the current generation BMW X4 M40i lead car. She joined the BMW Proving Ground crew back in 1995 and has experience racing at the Autodrome de Miramas circuit in France. The big, bad, camouflage 2025 X3 M50 filling his rearview mirror was too much for the wiry professional test driver, who must know every curb on this track. BMW is dropping the I from the model names of its gas-powered vehicles going forward, saving that letter for its electric vehicles. Matthias Richter, a youthful project engineer specializing in vehicle dynamics, grinned and stated, "It's not just the extra 35 horsepower that's giving him a hard time," while he was fastened into the passenger seat of our X3 M50 prototype. The new model fields an extensively revised chassis, more precise and communicative steering, and a selectively beefed up body structure for much improved handling and more tenacious cornering grip. It's been a while since catch and release has been this enjoyable. The new X3 has the ability to transition between becoming the best driving and parking machine. Consider having a front row seat at your preferred street cafe and then using the My BMW app to trigger the family-sized SUV to automatically pull into the assigned curbside space by pressing a button. Additionally, the system has the ability to learn and repeat up to 10 distinct intricate parking maneuvers, such backing out of an extremely constrained underground garage. All the driver has to do is accelerate, brake, and take in the advancements in technology. When driving on public roads, the vehicle employs a combination of short and long-range radars along with 4 3D cameras to generate a continuous 360-degree scan that encompasses oncoming traffic, cycle lanes, cross-traffic, and anything that may be approaching from behind.